Hey everybody, it's AJ for Disney Food Blog, and I had something happen to me a couple of weeks ago that gave me the idea to do this video. So let's talk about 9 rookie mistakes not to make in Disney World. So we'll talk about the one that sparked me to do this video in the first place. I was getting a Dole Whip at Aloha Isle in Magic Kingdom a few weeks ago. And I walked up and I saw that the line snaked around probably 7 or 8 times. It was a good 20-25 minutes worth of line, maybe even 30 minutes worth of line. And so I pulled up my mobile order on my Disney experience. I ordered a Dole Whip and I was able to get it within about 4 minutes. So I didn't have to wait in the line. I walked right up to the mobile order window and grabbed my Dole Whip. And I thought to myself, wow, all these people don't know about mobile order. They really, really should. So I figured we'd make this video. So mistake number 1 is not using mobile order. Mobile order is now taking Disney Dining Plan credits, so you can book your counter service or your snack with Disney Dining Plan credits over mobile order. You can use it at multiple locations throughout the parks, and I think they're ready to start expanding to resorts pretty soon because they sort of teased a Contempo Cafe mobile order a while back. Definitely use mobile order if you can. Do not wait in those lines, especially if you're there during those really, really crowded times. You don't have to wait in the lines, you guys. Mobile order is the way to go. Okay, next up, the next rookie mistake I think is not bringing cash with you. A lot of people think that you can just use your Magic Band and or your credit card and you'll be good to go. There are several things in Disney World that you can only use cash for. Things like buying a balloon in the parks. They only take cash as of right now. So you need to bring 20 bucks with you. So those balloons are like $12 or $19. I don't know, they're super expensive. Tipping your mousekeeping in your room. It's really nice to give them a couple dollars a day, maybe a dollar per person in the room, something like that, a couple dollars per person in the room. It's great to use cash for that. If you happen to valet park or use any sort of parking services and you need to tip somebody, or if you're having people bring your luggage in and need to tip people, it's always nice to have some ones in your wallet to do that with. So definitely bring some cash. You never know when you're going to need it or when it'll come in handy. Another rookie mistake that you don't want to make on your Disney World trip is not using a stroller. If you have a kid who's under 7 years of age, just get a stroller. Just do it. Just bring it. Even if your kid runs marathons with you, bring a stroller. You and your child will be grateful for it at some point in your Disney experience, I imagine. Especially if you're doing the whole park in a day, multiple parks in a day. Those strollers come in really, really handy. So I've seen kids that are 6, 7, 8 years old sitting in those Disney rental strollers because it's really exhausting to walk around Disney all day in that heat. So get a stroller, rent a stroller, send yourself a stroller on Amazon before you get there. Get a stroller. Next rookie mistake you don't want to get caught making is not using the My Disney Experience app. My Disney Experience allows you to make fast passes, dining reservations, do that mobile ordering, and so many other things. You can check wait times for the attractions. There's so many things you can do on My Disney Experience at the moment. Really, really useful. I use it all the time when I'm in the parks, so absolutely consider pulling up that app on your phone, downloading it before you go, playing around with it, getting to know how it works. Another crazy mistake, rookie mistake you don't want to do is wear the wrong shoes when you're in Disney World. Now, we're going to do a couple of videos here coming up, if we haven't already done them, because I don't know when we're going to publish this one, about what to pack in Disney World and how to manage the weather in Disney World. We're going to talk about shoes there too, but definitely choose the right shoes. Break the shoes in before you go. Wear shoes that are water friendly because it will probably rain while you're there. So water friendly shoes that will dry quickly, that hopefully have a back to them, some sort of a back, so that your feet aren't slipping all over the place when they are wet. Shoes that are super comfortable that you're not wearing for the first time. Things like that. Those are the right shoes to wear for sure. Make sure your whole family has the right shoes too. Don't just worry about you. Make sure your whole family has them. Okay, the next mistake you don't want to make, we'll go to talk about a little bit of dining here, is making too many dining reservations. Don't forget that Disney dining reservations right now, it'll cost you $10 per person for broken reservations or reservations that you don't cancel within 24 hours of your visit. So don't make too many dining reservations, especially if you have babies, toddlers, little ones who are unpredictable in their moods or their habits or their nap times and things like that. So be careful with how many dining reservations you make. Pick those few restaurants that you absolutely have to go to and make those dining reservations. Otherwise, don't overschedule yourself for sure. The next rookie mistake we don't want you to make is not making dining dining reservations at all. I know, you're surprised. We say this all the time. Definitely make dining reservations especially for those very popular restaurants that you don't want to miss out on. So don't make too many dining reservations because you may have people in your party who for some reason make it unable for you to go. I'm saying this because I have experience with a 2-year-old who made me unable to go to many of my dining reservations, and I lost a lot of money on it. So don't make too many dining reservations, but definitely do make those dining reservations for those meals that you really need to go to and that are hard to get into. Hopefully that makes sense. I know you guys understand. And finally, the thing you don't want to do again is over planning. Don't over plan your trip. Give yourself time to really enjoy it. Have fun. Enjoy your family. Leave some downtime in your schedule. Have a resort day where you're not planning on going into the parks and you're just planning on hanging out at the resort. You can always head into the parks if you really want to. You can always add those days onto your ticket. So give yourself, a day and a half, 2 days to just lay low, relax, take some naps, and chill out a little bit. So hopefully that helps. There are some rookie mistakes you really don't want to make when you're planning your trip to Disney World. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know your mistakes that you've made or ones that you've avoided. We can't wait to hear them in the comments. And we thank you for watching. We thank you for listening. This is AJ for Disney Food Blog. Please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.